Hello again, and welcome to the WeldTrace channel. I'll walk you through some of the steps in setting up your account and getting it ready to start managing your projects. If you need detailed instructions on any of the topics covered in this video, please visit the WeldTrace Help Center. You can either browse by topic or search for an article. Check your account settings for units, date format, and paper sizes for printouts. By the way, this menu is available only for the super user. The first thing you need to do is to populate your account with welding procedures. You can add all your WPS that you may have created elsewhere to WeldTrace. You can also create a WPS here. I'll show you how to create code-compliant welding procedures in WeldTrace in another video. For now, let me show you how to populate WeldTrace with the welding procedures that you already use. Click here to open a form-style interface to add one WPS at a time, and here to import a list of WPS by importing the data in a spreadsheet file. In this form, you don't need to enter all the data in your WPS. Enter the WPS number, revision, and other details here. Pick the process and type for the root, fill, and cap passes. This information will be used for managing the welder continuity records, among other things. You can pick the base metals from the WeldTrace library. You will find over 5,000 records from the most common standards in the WeldTrace base metal library. You can add your own material if you don't find the relevant one in the library. Enter other optional data in this row. If your WPS specifies post-weld heat treatment, select this radio button and enter the values in this row. Upload the WPS file in PDF format here. Only those WPS that are marked as qualified will be available to use in projects. Enter the details of the PQRs that support this WPS here. You may add up to 3 PQRs per WPS. Click Save when you're done. The WPS I had just added is listed here. You can click here to open the accordion to see more details. Click on the WPS number to view all the details. You may click here to edit the WPS and change the information or create a new revision from it or change its status. The history of all the changes made can be seen in this page. If you want to add more than one WPS at a time, click here to import the data in a spreadsheet file. You can download the template in CSV format and enter the data. Please note that the column headings and column ordering should not be changed. For the base metal data, you need to provide the WeldTrace reference. All the abbreviations used must be in WeldTrace format. Please read the Help Center article to find out more. You can add only one PQR per WPS through this method. If you have more than one PQR supporting a WPS, You need to add the other PQRs through the single entry form after importing the data. Once you have the file ready, save it in the .csv file format and click here to begin the import process. WeldTrace will parse the data, and if there are any errors, those cells will be highlighted. You can correct the data and try again. To upload more than one WPS and PQR files at a time, you need to use the bulk file upload feature. The files must be in PDF format, and they need to be named as the WPS number with an underscore separating the revision. This applies for the PQRs as well. Only the files that have matching entries will be uploaded. Once you have the WPS in WeldTrace, you can add welders and welding machines. The process of adding welders and their qualifications is very similar to the method of adding WPS. You may also add fitters and their certification details to WeldTrace. This brings us to the end of this video on getting your account ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.